Today I'm going to show you how to add an image in Leonardo AI step by step so you can use an image reference inside your generation workflow and get results that match your vision much more closely. Whether you want to guide the style, improve consistency, or use a previous image as inspiration, this is a really useful feature to know. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll start your image generation process. Click that image option and then choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI gives you different models, so pick the one that best fits the kind of image you want to create. Next, take a moment to set your generation settings. Adjust the quality, choose the style you want, set the image dimensions, and decide how many generations you want Leonardo to create. These settings matter because they help control the look, feel, and output of your final image. Now look for the text prompt bar. This is where you'll type the main instruction for your image. But before you generate, you can also add an image reference. To do that, click the upload button and choose your image source. You can upload a photo from your local storage, or if you've already created something inside Leonardo, you can select from your previous generations. This is especially useful if you want the AI to follow a visual example, match a composition, or build on an existing idea. Once your reference image is uploaded, go ahead and type your text prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want Leonardo AI to create, because the prompt works together with the image reference to shape the final result. You can describe the subject, style, lighting, background, colors, or any details you want included. After everything is set, click Generate. Leonardo AI will then use your prompt and the image reference to create your result. Give it a few moments to process, and you'll see your generated image appear on screen. From there, you can review it, make adjustments, and try again if needed for a better match. And that's how to add an image in Leonardo AI. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make a huge difference in the quality and consistency of your AI images. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.